Hey, you two, welcome back. It's been a long time that I did the ASMR's video. So today we have a quick unboxing for you guys to check it out. I think this one is the books, and this is some of the hair dye that my wife got. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So these are the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Rescue 10 minutes root coloring kit, permanent hair color, and all of them are 4A matches dark ash brown shades. Let's go ahead and open this up. So they come with this brush. Hair dye. Bottle with the solutions in there already. And instructions. Go ahead and unbox this one. size fit most up to 42. Cut our Nike Switch logo right here on the belt buckle. Made in Vietnam. So this one must be a gift, so I'm not going to open it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.